if you want to set a song as a ringtone on Google Pixel 10, what you can do is you can go to settings. Now in settings, we're gonna proceed to sound and vibration. And then over here, we need to find the ringtone option. In here, go to my sounds. And then we can add our song as long as we have it saved on the storage on our phone by pressing on this plus button in the bottom right corner. If you go over here and if you go here for the first time, then most likely you will see something like this. There is a chance that you won't find anything, so you might want to tap on these three lines in the top left corner and switch, for example, to audio or downloads or anything else that will help you locate your files. There we go. And in my case, let's say that this is a song that I wish to set. So as I said, you should have your song file on your phone. So you can select it, add it to the list, select it on this list, and then press save in the top right corner. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.